Thank you very much for having me. My name is Engineer Tajuddin Adigun Rahim, the President of Yoruba World Congress and Yoruba Nation Now movement. We want to seize this opportunity to thank each every one of us that came out en masse to give the support to Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu for him now to become the next president of Nigeria. The next step is to rally around, to give all our support again to all of our Guba candidates all over the Yoruba land. We are quite aware of the concerns that the citizens has. Number one, the answers protest, and in the way some people think that was handled. Of course, the COVID palliatives distribution that didn't get to the hands of the people who actually need it, and not to talk of the market women, yes, and of course land issue, Omonile and the people and how it's been going, and the very huge concern that we, the Yoruba, has, especially in Lagos. And last, the security. We all knew what happened, especially during the issue, the fight between passengers and Okada drivers, riders. All of this, we know it is an issue, but it's not enough for us to now put our future into the hands of other people. Bàbá àtọmọ máa ń jà, èyí ò mí ní pé kí wọ́n máa parí ẹ̀. Ní báyìí, we now begging you, we urge each every one of us. In fact, we beg you all. Ọmọ kékeré ni àgbà ni, ọkùnrin obìnrin ni, ọ̀rọ̀ agídíkọ̀ rẹ̀, ọ̀rọ̀ ìpè kí a bára wa sọ òtítọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ni. Starting from all of our royal fathers in Yoruba land, not just Lagos, to rally around and make sure that they talk to everyone in their town, cities, to throw their support to the wrong. We also call on Iyaloja, Babalojas, every nook and cranny of Yoruba land to do the needful. Of course, all of our Yoruba socialites, be it in movie industry, music, it's about time for you to understand that the concept of self-preservation, it is very, very important. If that has not been preserved, you will not have it today, and people out there will not come and share the piece of cake. But that's not a reason for you to now completely relinquish what belongs to you. We also call on every Yoruba, Christian and Muslim, and Adetunwa people Yoruba, oníṣẹ̀ṣe wa, lọ́mọdé lágbà, ọkùnrin lóbìnrin, ẹ̀yin ìyá wa, túyáyá, ẹ ṣeun tó tọ́ tí ó yẹ. And I want to seize this opportunity to actually plead with our youth. Of course, we have to let you understand that a bigger problem is not for us to hang it on just only one man. You will have to understand that your problem is also his problem. Your joy is also his joy. So you have to understand that, yes, we are all in this together. And I am seizing this opportunity to actually talk to our politicians to now understand you are nobody without your citizens, especially the youth. Listen to them and do what is needful. But we seize this opportunity to talk to each every one of us to do what is right. Not just only the Yoruba, but we're also talking to every citizens, every tribe that believe in Yoruba way of life, ideology, should give us that support. And by the special grace of God, Ilẹ̀ Yoruba kò ní bàjẹ́. But before I go, Lagos is the heartbeat of Yoruba land. We must not lose it. Thank you.